Happy Monday. I love that our Nintendo Switch is just chilling here because I have been playing Animal Crossing since yesterday and it is so much fun, but since the game is in like real time, you can't really do much. You have to like check in every day, so I played a little bit this morning, but it has been so much fun and I feel like this is the most I've used the Switch. We've had this for about a year, right? Has it been a year? Over a bit?
Yeah.
We basically bring it on trips to play like Mario Kart and Super Mario Party 8 to pass the time, but Animal Crossing is really the move for this given time. Right, Snakes? Yeah. So in my studio, I have my laptop set up there because I haven't done any physical activity in 2 weeks, shamefully, and my hip's out because I've been sitting so much. Love that for me. So I'm gonna do like a very low impact type of stretch workout type of thing because I'm on my period. This is gonna be like my worst day of it. So I want something that's going to stretch out my hip, bring me back into, you know, physical activityness. I'm not looking to do a cardio HIIT workout or anything right now, but I do need to do something to help this. So we're gonna do that. Just finished the full 30-minute workout video. I thoroughly enjoyed that. It was challenging. It had a little bit of cardio, but a lot of like Pilates toning and stuff. Felt really good. I feel like my hip is definitely a lot more open now. It's still definitely inflamed and I'm definitely cramping, but I feel like that was really good. I'll have the video linked down below if you guys want to go check that one out. I really liked all of the things she was saying throughout the video, and there's modifications if you need it. It was a very good video and there's like a cool down and everything at the end. So thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll link it down below. Probably will try and do this again tomorrow. I ended up putting on some makeup for today. I'm so pale right now. I'm waiting for that new self tanner to come in the mail because I really want to try it and I want to be as pale as possible for it, but like if it doesn't come today, I really don't think I can wait because I'm not matching any of my foundations. But anyway, I put on some makeup because I wanted to shoot this sweater. It was gifted to me from Brunette the Label last week, which was like perfect timing for all of this. It is so cute. It is honestly the softest thing ever. I love it so much. I actually, we have our laundry drying out here. I bought this one with my own money a couple weeks ago and I've been wearing it like so much. You guys have seen it all over my Instagram and stuff. So I was really excited that they wanted to work together again and reached out to gift me this one because they are so soft and I basically live in them. So yeah, it's super cute. I love the little stripes on the side, but yeah, if you want to go see the Instagram pictures, we took it on the bed with Noodle and Snicks because I wanted, you know, some interesting content and they are interesting. So that is what we did. Now I'm gonna go edit those and see what else we can get up to. Maybe check in on my Animal Crossing, you know, riveting to-do list today. So just had a Poshmark order come in and so I thought I would show you guys how I package up my Poshmark orders. It's actually been a while since I've packed one up, but I'll walk you guys through the process. I have a bin over here that I pull out and I have a bunch of little like envelopes and tissue paper. I reuse basically all tissue paper and like packing things that I get sent from PR packages to reuse on things like this. So I have that all stored there. So I picked out a nice seafoam green. I have pink, but I'm probably not going to use this. And then I grabbed the item, which in this case, it's in this drawer here. I have a bunch of different things and she purchased this sweater. So take that out. Like I said, I try and reuse packaging from PR boxes and stuff. So sometimes I'll use a bubble bag or sometimes I'll just use whatever box I have on hand. And since it's kind of like a chunkier knit sweater, I figured this would be best. Also in every Poshmark order that I send out, I have little thank you cards that I have printed and then I just write a handwritten note on the back. And then this is one of my favorite things. Oh, this is the one that's not open. I also got stickers printed. They just say MG on them, but they're like pink. They're so fun, and so I like to like fold up the package and then put a little sticker in the middle. Feels very boutique-like. And then in every Poshmark order, I do also include a beauty gift. So I have this bin here that is labeled gifting. So I just go in here and pick out an item or two and include it in the package. All right, so we pack the item in as best we can with the sticker, put in the little thank you note, and then a couple makeup items. I think I'm going to actually wrap this in some bubble wrap though, just because palettes are so breakable. But yeah, that's the Poshmark package going out. I am hopefully going to be adding some more things to my Poshmark in the near future. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. There is quite a few things still up there right now. I don't really like get rid of things too often, obviously not now. So yeah, but there will be more things coming very shortly. More like spring and summer related items too. Rolling. Well, going to the post office was a less than fun experience. I had a Poshmark order, as you guys saw, to mail out, but then I also had a Sephora order to pick up that we didn't get in the mail last week, so I picked that up. I do have a wipe here that I did wipe down the package for reference. I don't have any like Lysol sprays or anything because you can't buy any right now, or else I totally would have done that. But like some guy just stood like way too close to me, and then the other lady was like getting mad at the person working at the post office, and I just like, it was not the vibe, and like everything is just, everyone's like so crazy out there that was not fun. So I'm glad it was like a quick exchange and I was out of there, came home and diligently washed my hands. But anyway, what I got from Sephora, the two things that I'm most excited about are new products from St.Tropez. I haven't heard anyone talk about these or mention them, and I like saw them on Sephora and I was like, I want to buy them because I love St.Tropez products, but also because they are part of their like purity line. These ones are different. Oh no, purity vitamins. So we have a spray self tanner, which I've never used like a spray one before, so I'm very excited about that. That's what we're gonna try out today. And then this really caught my eye. This was the Purity Vitamins Glow Boosting Vitamin C and D Bronzing Water Serum. So this is for your face. So cool. I'm very excited to see how this works because you guys know I love the mist. So super intrigued with that. And then I also got one more tanning product. This one is from Tan Luxe. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. This is their Illuminating Self Tan Drops. I got them in medium dark. That might be too dark for me. We'll find out. You can just like add these drops to moisturizer and it'll tan your face. So I'm excited to try out these two products. Hopefully neither break me out and we can get some good, you know, first impressions from these or get some reviews going. I'm excited. Beautiful packaging. This was also way more expensive, so I hope I like it. I also picked up a repurchase. This is the Amika Buster Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. I love this stuff. It's really good. And then I had like a coupon code thing to get something from Drunk Elephant. This is the Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. This is like a good, decent travel size too. Yeah, I just had a code for this. Doesn't really smell like much, but looks like a cleansing balm of some sort. That'll be cool and good to travel with. So that's it. That's what I got from Sephora. I'm so excited to go tan. A few hours later, I played some Animal Crossing, got some more work done, and now I'm going to set up to do our weekly check-in with the dance people. I decided to bring out a blanket and maybe sit on my carpet this time instead of at the desk because I think the lighting will be better, but we'll see. Also, the internet is so bad in here, so hopefully it works. Hey! Good afternoon, friends. I'm making my first coffee of the day, and we pulled out the Essenza Mini Nespresso machine, which is the first Nespresso machine we actually had when I worked with them. It's a lot smaller, which is so cute, but we've been using the Virtuo machine more often recently for probably about the past year, just because it makes bigger cups. But we have so many of the capsules for the Essenza Mini, so we figured might as well pull it out. I like having the smaller coffees anyway. Now you guys can actually see it. But yeah, so we have so many capsules for the smaller machines, so we figured why not pull that out while we're here and use it. And lately for my coffee, I've just been adding in a little bit of this Silk Coconut Creamer. This one's vanilla, so it does have a little bit of sugar in it. And then for these kind of coffees, I always like to top it with a little bit of cinnamon because it tastes good and makes it feel a little bit fancier. See, how cute is that? So fancy. And then for breakfast this morning, I feel like I've talked about these bagels so often, but I love them so much. So I'm gonna have one of these with some good old peanut butter. And here we have my little setup for what is actually technically lunch, even though it's my first meal of the day. We got the coffee. I did have some fresh berries, so I just washed those and put them in a cute little bowl. These bowls are my favorite. They're so cute from Superstore. And our plates. as well. Love them. So before I put on a shirt for the day, I thought I would quickly show you guys the tanner because I tried it out last night. I'm still really pale. I feel like it's maybe better to be a touch-up product, but I am not as dark as I want it to be. It definitely like concentrated a lot on my neck and kind of my chest area, which I did do a couple layers of, and you can kind of see like some lines and stuff, and also my wrist. There's like splotches on my hand and stuff, and not on my hand. I've been washing my hands obviously, so that's why. And then for the face serum, it kind of concentrated. There's like some lines here and then like around my hairline. Maybe it's because I put on moisturizer on my face like after I put the serum on, but I let it soak into my skin fully. But yeah, I need to go put on some makeup because I need to, you know, even everything out. I did try the Tan Luxe drops in my, hold for sirens. I did put the Tan Luxe drops into my moisturizer this morning just to see how that works. But I definitely, like, there's some ratchet lines there too. I don't know, maybe it's because it's still like a new product, it's clear, I'm not used to like using it, especially like a product that you rub into your skin versus spraying. But like, it looks like like sunglass lines, so not so sure about it. I think probably tonight I'll just apply a regular tan that's gonna get me quite dark, and then I'll probably use the spray more so for like the hard to reach areas. I don't know, it just didn't get me as dark as I was hoping. I guess that's the point I'm trying to make. I should quickly also mention that I used the spray, but then I also took a tanning mitt and like rubbed it in. That's probably why I have like such a concentrated bit on my hand, because I was testing out the sprayer. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that because I didn't just like spray my body with it, because I don't think that would work. Okay, I've now come outside to kind of clear up the area. I'm definitely not doing a full patio cleanup today, but I did want to take the pillows off our chairs and the cushion covers and give them a wash. And then I decided that I should also plant some flowers or something. So I had this pot that came in a PR package of some sort, and there was like a little seed ball, so I planted that. Hopefully that'll grow. And then I just cleaned out this pot, and then this paper from Caudalie is seed paper, so I'm going to put it in this pot. What are you eating? Dude, it's a twist tie. Chill. Do you want it? And do it. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna plant the seed paper and see if something will grow. Hello. Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store because we needed to get a bunch of fresh stuff. We have like meat and stuff in our freezer and like that part of a meal, but we don't have much fresh stuff. So we picked up a lot of things. So we got a bunch of carrots, some more celery, lots of broccoli. The zucchinis are massive. I have no idea why. I've never seen a zucchini this big. So we got a couple of those. Got lots of yams. I love yams. Lemons, avocados, cucumbers. These are really good. They recently changed their packaging, but they're delicious. So got some of these candies, got some bacon, a little frozen pizza just to have in our freezer. And then I do like to have something to look forward to on the weekends, and I've been really craving French toast, so I wanted to pick up some bread. Would not normally buy a huge loaf of white bread like this, but I'll just stick it in the freezer and probably only use it for French toast occasionally, so that's fine. We got some sour cream for a recipe, got more of my everything Odo's bagel thins. They're so good. More nectarines. We got raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Cody got some coffee creamer. We got some Smart Sweets, couple chocolate bars, cheese strings. I picked up an iced tea because I was craving something like that. We got some coconut milk. They didn't have unsweetened vanilla, so I'm very sad about it, so we just got original. Got some frozen berries, and then we also stopped on our way home at our local coffee shop to pick up some ground coffee. They were super sweet and like actually grinded it for us because it comes as whole beans. So now we have coffee for the French press, which is great. My mom's so funny. She sent us a package because I said I didn't have any Tylenol and I couldn't find any in the store, so she sent me a Ziploc bag of Tylenol, and she included like the packaging too, which is so funny. Sent us some masks. I guess she had those on hand, and then an SOS pad because she saw us cleaning our oven and how it didn't go well, so she told me to use this. So thanks, Mom. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that my snake plant is not doing well. However, I repotted this rubber plant and we have a new leaf. How exciting in these dreary times. Very hyped on it. I think I'm just gonna leave it. They say to not water it very often during whatever season we're in. So I'm just really happy that it has a new leaf and it's, you know, maybe gonna survive. Hi, Jamie. Goodbye. Cody's currently making dinner and I'm just finishing up editing this vlog, and I wanted to get it up for you guys since it's already so long. And honestly, I mentioned this on my Instagram, I feel so much more motivated to film vlogs right now, just because I feel like that's what I would want to watch in this time. I just want to see what people are doing to like occupy their time and have kind of a variation of different types of content within one video, if that makes sense. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are cool with that, because I have a lot of ideas, but they kind of all don't make sense to do on their own individually, if that makes sense, and to include them in different vlogs I think would be more fun. So if you guys are cool with me continuing to vlog, please let me know in the comments down below, and also just give me an update. How you doing? This is week 2 for us. We're gonna be here for a really long time, and that personally is like kind of scary. I hate the unknown and just like the longevity that this is most likely going to be. So drop your feels down in the comments because I want to hear from you guys. Snix is very interested and would love to hear from you. That clip also when we were making the bed this morning of him just like putting his little nose up to the camera was just like the cutest thing ever. So anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will see you hopefully in a couple days with maybe a new video, new vlog. That's the plan anyway. Have a great night, guys.